in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a discount on Hostinger in July 2025. If you're looking to save big on web hosting this month, you're in luck. Hostinger is offering some amazing deals, and I'm going to show you how to get it. Whether you're launching your first website or upgrading an existing one, now's the perfect time to lock in a reliable hosting plan at a fraction of the cost. So before I show you how to get the best price possible, let me walk you through what Hostinger is, why it's one of our top choices, and how to make sure you don't miss out on this amazing deal. So if you've never heard of Hostinger before, it's one of the best places to get affordable web hosting. It's super beginner friendly, really fast, and way cheaper than a lot of other hosting platforms out there. If you're building your first website or even your fifth, it's got everything you need to get up and running without any tech headaches. You don't have to be a coder or know anything fancy. The dashboard is clean and simple, so you can install WordPress, set up emails, or manage your site in just a few clicks. What I like about Hostinger is that it's not just budget hosting, it actually performs really well. Your websites load quickly, which is really important if you want people to stick around. You get solid features like free SSL certificates, automated backups, and 24/7 live chat support in case you ever get stuck. They've also got different hosting options depending on what you need, like shared hosting for personal sites, WordPress hosting if you're using that platform, or even cloud hosting if you want more speed and flexibility. It's reliable and easy to use and doesn't break the bank. That's why it's one of our top choices for beginners and small business owners. If you want to get started, I've left our link in the description below. Once you click that link, what you'll want to do is click claim deal. And we have a few different options here. So you can save up to 75% off. So this is with the premium website builder, and this is just $2.99 per month plus 3 months free. And I'm going to show you how to save even more with our code. So with this plan, you get 25 websites and 2 mailboxes per website, free domain for a year, AI website builder, email marketing, and more. Then with the business website builder, you can save 73% off, and that's just $3.79 per month plus 3 months free. With this, you get 50 websites, 5 mailboxes per website, free for 1 year, and then everything in the premium, but also sell products and services, 0% transaction fee, AI key features as well, a logo maker, and an AI SEO assistant. If you want to get started with either of them, you'll just click choose plan, and then from here, you want to make sure you're choosing the 48 months. That's how you're going to get the best price possible. You still can save some with either 12 month or 24 months, but if you want to make sure you're getting the best price, use the 48 month. And then what you'll want to do is type in code my first website at checkout, and you can save even more. As you can see, 10% is even knocked off of the already discounted price. They also do have a 30-day money back guarantee, so if you don't feel like it's the best fit for you within that window, you can get your money back, no questions asked. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This just really helps support the channel to help us continue to create super high quality content and tutorials. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. That wraps up today's video. If you're ready to claim the discount, just click the link below and type in code MyFirstWebsite at checkout and grab the plan that fits your needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.